Okay, I'd like to thank all of you for coming. I'd like to thank Lobby for Cyprus for the invitation. As you can read from the program, Mr Candounas will discuss the implications of the recent Apostolides and Orams decision in the Court of Appeal. This is not exactly what I'll be doing. There was a more recent judgment of the European Court of Human Rights, and I'll try to go into that as well. Somehow I feel that the Orams case is now ancient history after this judgment came out. Most of you who are here, I believe that you know what the Apostolides and Orams case is about. The Orams are an English couple. They trespassed on the land that belongs to Mr Apostolides. Mr Apostolides took legal action in the courts of the Republic of Cyprus. He obtained a judgment. The judgment had a monetary aspect for the use of the land and legal costs, and two orders were made, one for them to cease trespassing and also to demolish the villa. The Court of Appeal judgment, this was taken after 5 preliminary legal points were decided upon by the ECHR, by the European Court of Justice, last year, and it was in favor of Mr Apostolides. And now the judgment of the Court of the Republic of Cyprus can and should be enforced in the United Kingdom. There is an order was made for the payment of money. I think now there's something like £700,000, which are approximately an amount thereby to be paid, which should have been paid. And now the Orams have filed an application in court saying that it was not really their case. They were the legal fees were paid by the TRNC, and now the TRNC refuses to pay. It's quite interesting, and they have filed an application in court, and we'll see what comes out of that. Now, what are the implications of this judgment? Personally, and I'm sure Mr Apostolides, we are not trying to make politics through the courts. Sometimes, very often, court judgments, have political implications. That is life. But that should not make a difference in the sense that the court should take into consideration the law, and the fact that a judgment could have political implications should not affect that judgment. And this was reflected in the judgment of the Court of Appeal. Now, on the ground, we have seen that this has slowed down, or it has stopped, the usurping of Greek Cypriot properties in the occupied part of Cyprus. And this can only be a good thing, at least for those who would like to see a solution to be reached at some point, because we should all remember that one of the main incentives for Greek Cypriots to want a solution is that they want to go home. They want to go back to their villages, to their homes, to their properties. So as time goes by, if these properties were allowed to be given away to foreigners, or either to be built upon or to be sold, then obviously Greek Cypriots will not really have an incentive to want to fight for a settlement. It did have an effect on the economy in the occupied part, because as the construction business has slowed down. I mean, it is now dead, but then again, we don't know for how long. This means less workers, this means less settlers, and as a matter of fact, some settlers had to go back to Turkey because they had come to build in the construction business, and as there's no work now, they had to go back. So I count this influenced by those people who illegally occupy Greek properties. Now, what are the legal options? What options do the owners of properties in the north have? I would divide the properties in two main categories. Those that are occupied by people who have properties in the United Kingdom, within the EU, okay, and the rest. Those who occupy properties and do have property within the EU, those people can be sued in the courts of the Republic of Cyprus, and those judgments, if a judgment is obtained, an attempt could be made to have those judgments enforced in the countries that their property is found. And following the judgment of the Court of Appeal here in England, it is expected that such judgments will be enforced in the various EU countries. For those properties that no person could be sued, okay, that have property within the EU, so far people could actually turn against Turkey, and until now the venue was the European Court of Human Rights. One could sue Turkey at the ECHR for violation of human rights to property. This, I consider, this is no longer an option, in the sense that after the judgment in the Demopoulos case came out at the beginning of March, it was decided by the court that anybody who wants to sue Turkey for the violation of human rights should do it via the IPC, which is the Immovable Property Commission in the occupied part of Cyprus. Strangely enough, it is called the Immovable Properties Commission, but they claim also to deal with matters of movable property. So it's Immovable and Movable Property Commission. So, I would expect that an owner of a house or a plot of land which is currently trespassed upon by a person who owns property in the EU will be sued in the courts of the Republic of Cyprus. Okay, and then follow a similar route to that of Mr Apostolides. The rest can decide whether they want to sue Turkey at the IPC and claim they have various options. Either to claim for loss of use, ask for restitution, exchange of property, or to sell their properties to the occupying forces. One does not have to ask to claim for all these, for all the above. One can claim, for example, only for damages for loss of use or restitution. And if one is not happy with the outcome, one could also take the case back to the European Court of Human Rights.